Pretty quiet evening here across East Tennessee. Try to see a few isolated showers just past sunset portions of Scott County, but even that one's falling apart as it's moving into Campbell County. Pretty close to the Buckeye community, right along I-75. You're going from Jacksboro up towards right on the Kentucky border, basically, if you're heading up towards the north. But that's really all there is out there. The big story is just it's still quite mild. Quiet look right now from Gatlinburg Sky Park, looking over the downtown area. All quiet there as well. Their temperature sitting at 79. We're still 80, though, for Knoxville and Maryville, and 81. Pretty warm there in Oak Ridge. Kingston is cool to a pleasant 73, and Oneida, very nice at 70, but it's still on the humid side, right? A lot of pink or a tropical feel showing up across the board. The orange is sticky, which means it's not going to cool off much tonight. Upper 60s to low 70s as we start out early on our Saturday. Temperatures quickly build into the low 90s, so similar temperature readings to today and similar heat index readings to today. Close to 100 for Knoxville and Maynardville, about 102 in Kingston, maybe as high as 107 in the Spring City area. What about rain chances? Well, quiet start. By the time we hit midday, there could be one or two trying to develop over the higher terrain areas of the plateau and then over right along the Smokies. Then through the afternoon, anybody could see one, but not everybody will. Only about a 30% coverage expected. One or two of the storms that pop up, though, can't rule out the threat for some gusty winds with some of those. Bigger impacts are what we've seen, lightning, so be careful outside. Area lakes, rivers, pools, anything like that, and then downpours of rain before they taper off as we get to about this time tomorrow night. Now, there isn't as much moisture in the atmosphere for tomorrow. If you look at the legend here at the top right-hand corner of your screen, that yellow shading isn't a lot for tomorrow evening, but notice by Sunday, it does increase a bit, and then even more so as we head into Monday evening. So rain chances will go up as we go late weekend into the first part of next week. For Sunday itself, temperatures are similar to tomorrow, maybe a degree or two warmer in some spots, but still in the low 90s. But with that increased moisture, we're going to see increased heat index values, more triple-digit readings across the board, as you can see, as high as 102 for Knoxville, 104 in Kingston, and a very steamy 107 in Spring City. So slightly better chances of rain Sunday compared to tomorrow, but still not a complete washout. I do think the better chance of scattered storms is going to be on Monday. A little more than half of us will see the rain chances there. Less likely Tuesday into Wednesday. That's when temperatures really start to warm up, low to mid 90s. But we're right back into the increased storm opportunities, especially by about this time next week, Bo.
All right, Ken.